Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings and unopenings. Today I'll be reviewing this electric blue peplum dress. And I've been told that this particular electric blue is like my power color. I'm not exactly sure what that means. I always get compliments whenever I wear electric blue. So I guess there's something to do with that. This is the neckline, as you can see, a professional V cut, as I say. Short sleeve, the seams are very interesting. I wonder what that will look like on. It's definitely a natural waist with a peplum pleated on evenly on both sides. It's a pencil skirt with a slit in the back for mobility, and then it's just a zipper all the way down. All right, let me go ahead and try this on. Okay, so super interesting neckline. I love that. Professional without being boring, I would say. The peplum falls a little bit lower than most dresses, which actually I'm not super against. It does look different though. It's less like flare out. It's more like subtle because it does hit you lower, as you can see with these lines. Yeah, this like pleating, not my favorite, I would say. I think I like a little bit more drama, but this neckline is pure gold. On the side, you can see it goes, oh, it's like connected here and here as well. But this little flap is free, but this part is sewed down. I like the silhouette of the dress. Here's what the back looks like. Honestly, I like the top, what it looks like, and then I like the bottom. But like there's something about this middle part I'm just not, I don't know, really feeling. Still PowerColor, you know, slit in the back. I think it's like the seam that is throwing me off just like a little bit. Still, you know, super cute. I almost wish that there was like more pleating here, so it's like less like just like, you know, like a square, you know, when there's like so many other things going on with like, you know, elegant little curves and stuff. So yeah, if you would like to purchase this dress, check out the link below. And of course it comes in all different colors as well, so whatever it is your power color. Actually, I want to know what your power color is. Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more unboxings, I do a lot of those, so make sure to subscribe and keep watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.